Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. We'll keep today's video as short and sweet as we can. The links to all the pages I share are always linked directly in the YouTube description box below this video. And of course, I just ask that if you enjoy job leads like this, give this video a thumbs up like button. That does give me that direct feedback. And of course, share with all your friends and family because we all want to live our happiest, healthiest life working from home. With that being said, today's job lead is from the company Fetch. You have probably heard of Fetch before. They have an app you can download. It is a receipt scanning app where you can get cash back or points for gift cards or PayPal. I use Fetch myself for scanning all of my grocery receipts and just gas receipts and anything that I buy. As far as reviews from people who have worked for them, they have 194 of those and an employee satisfaction rating of 3.5 out of 5 stars. They are hiring an executive assistant. This is going to be remote within the United States. Now, again, it says Fetch is ranked one of the top 10 in the shopping in the App Store. But they're looking for somebody to help be the assistant to 2 to 3 different executives with professional duties to help them run the organizational smoothly. So you are basically going to be doing all the administrative duties for multiple executives. This is a full-time position. They ideally want somebody located in the Pacific time zone, but if you're outside of that time zone, you've got to be able to work those hours. That is when the executives are working. You're going to manage their calendars, including making and shifting appointments and prioritizing the most sensitive matters. So you're going to make sure their appointments are scheduled, their important meetings they have to be in are scheduled, and nothing is overlapping. You'll plan and coordinate their travel arrangements, anticipating and taking care of the little things that set the executives up for low stress success. You'll serve as the point of contact through the executives and employees, clients, and other external partners, responding promptly and getting the details right. You'll maintain a high level of confidentiality, escalating any relevant information to the executives as needed. So people who need the executive's time and attention, they will come to you first, and then you look at it and make those decisions and escalate up what you think needs to be escalated up. Now, you are going to have to do some paperwork too, such as memos, emails, presentations, and reports. You'll maintain a comprehensive and accurate corporate records, documents, and reports as needed. Now, as far as what they're looking for, no college degree is needed. They just want somebody who can get it done, who can translate strategy into plans. You can connect the dots and execute. Somebody who has great time management skills. You're going to have to keep those calendars organized and efficient. Someone who can work well with others, and someone who can take calculated risk and is not afraid to fail. Now, if that is you, pay for this position is fairly decent, anywhere from $65,000 a year all the way up to $85,000 a year. Of course, they offer a benefit package that includes 401k with a match, a paid time off, and a medical, dental, and vision insurance. All right, if this job lead was not for you, that's okay. Always feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. It really means the world to me. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up like button if you did enjoy it. Share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.